In our data, if we want to sort by the calendar months of the year, we can use a built-in custom sort. And instead of an A to Z or oldest to newest, we can choose from the custom lists that come with Microsoft Excel. We want to be able to sort our data by our own defined list, which is not necessarily in alphabetical order. Let's create our list over here. Highlight the list. Click on File. Click on Options. And on the Advanced tab, scroll all the way down and click on Edit Custom Lists. We can import our list. If we prefer, we could hide this column or move it to another worksheet. And then, in our data, do a custom sort. Choose our new custom list. And whilst we're here, let's add another level to our sort. Choose the inbuilt list for the flight month column. Click OK. Boom shakalaka.